If you're in the market for a versatile system amplifier with a suite of comprehensive and flexible configurable options, your search can stop here. Introducing the Intusonic IntuForce 4SDL160, a multi-channel system amplifier. 150 watts of power at 4 ohms is delivered to each of the 4 outputs, suitable for most small to medium-sized applications. Despite its simple front panel layout, the rear of the amplifier is where the fun begins. 4 balanced XLR connections serve as the inputs, accompanied by 1/4-inch jack link outputs. Simple audio routing options are available too. The user can disable the front volume controls to eliminate unwanted interactions, and a 100 Hz high-pass filter can be activated per channel for smaller connected loudspeakers alongside a maximum volume setting. The 4SDL160 has 4 working modes. It can be set from a 4-zone amplifier to a dual stereo amplifier or a 2.1 satellite and subwoofer system amplifier. The latter is facilitated by its inbuilt active crossover with 4 selectable crossover frequencies and its bridging feature for the 3rd and 4th channel. Speaker outputs are via 5mm terminal strip connectors, and the amplifier is convection-cooled for silent operation. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.